Hey guys, Karkis here. Here's straight to the point version of my sending a fire truck to space glitch in GTA V. The best launch glitch in the game, even better than the old swing set glitch. So you come down to the beach with any vehicle right next to the pier and go to the lifeguard station. Have a friend jump inside with an explosive and shoot the right hand corner of the gate, left hand from his angle. And on my screen you'll see that the gate opens like there. This is what it looks like from his angle. So you're inside, you shoot the boat, and on his screen the gate will open. So you'll see right now a tank out of nowhere, and now he's opened the gate for both of us. So now we would both be ready to do the glitch. So let's get back to the fire truck. And here we go! Oh. Take two. So you drive into the glitching gate with any vehicle and it should launch you across the map or teleport you across the map, throw you under the map, or just blow up your car. It's all exciting with the gate. Here we go! Oh. So we've appeared to enter another dimension here. If you look down at the radar, you can see that I'm at the airport, whereas the game is still showing me as at the pier. So yeah, but don't worry, soon this is just the ideal way to get to space. All spaceships must go through this. Enter a wormhole, teleport to the airport, get stuck at the pier, and then appear in space, the final frontier. These are the words of Captain Karkis. Here we go, guys. So I'm falling from space. This is probably the highest you can get with this glitch. Absolutely insane. And what's that? I've got an incoming transmission here. I've just been told that I was wrong in my last video. This actually proves the Earth is flat because you can see the whole of it while I'm falling. So if scientists could get on Wikipedia and edit that and you know, tip X out their books and change it, because we were wrong, the Earth is flat and we now just must glitch far enough outside of it to find the giant turtle that is carrying us through space. Seriously though, guys, this glitch is great. You can fling anything, any vehicle, even the giant Avenger, or you can just jump on the gate outside of the vehicle and get thrown across the map, teleported across the map, thrown under the map, teleported under the map, or if you're really lucky like this, you'll be teleported to space and drop back below. Check out the full video for more launches to, you know, see how they're done. This is basically an empty donut video, whereas my other video is a jam donut. So if you want to see more launches, go check that out. Thanks for watching.